Hey everyone, myself Bhavya Goyal, a student at IIT Gandhinagar. I welcome you at CodeChef and let's have a look at this question. Today's question is Fonta. So in this question, we're given that a drink is called Fanta like if the last three letters of its name are N, T, and A in the same order. That is, the name of the drink must end with a MT. Now we bought a drink from a vending machine and the name of the drink is represented by the string S. It is given to us that the string S consists of exactly five lowercase English letters. Now we need to tell if the drink is Fanta-like or not. So in the input we'll be given a single line which contains a single string S of length exactly five, which denotes the name of the drink that we bought from the vending. And in the output, we need to print yes if the drink is Fanta-like and no otherwise. And each character of the output can be in any case, so all of these would be considered equivalent. In the constraints, we're given that S would consist of exactly five lowercase English letters. In the first sample input, we are given that string as Fonta. Now, the last three characters of the string are NT and A in the order NTA, so the answer is yes. In the second, we are given pasta, and the last three characters are ST and A, which do not ends with NTA, so the answer is no. In the last sample, we are given A and B, which again do not ends with NTA in the correct order, so the answer is no. Now, all we need to do is we need to check if the second character of our string, so this is the zeroth character, this is the first, and this is the second. So we need to check if the second character of the string is N, the third character of the string is T, and the last character of the string is A. And if all of three of them are true, then we can print yes. Otherwise, we need to print no. And that's pretty much the whole solution as well. So now let us first look at the solution in Python. So we'll begin by taking in the input of the string S using this input. We'll check if the second character is N and the third character is T and simultaneously the fourth character is A. We'll be printing yes. So like if all three conditions are met, we'll be printing a yes. Otherwise, we'll be printing a no. Now, the time complexity of this solution is constant because we're just doing a few constant time operations. Now, let us look at the code in C++. So, we'll begin by taking in the input of the string S. We'll check if the second character is N, the third character is T, and the last character is A. If all three of them are met simultaneously, we'll be printing a yes. Otherwise, we'll be printing no. And that's pretty much the whole solution. The time complexity again is constant because we're just doing a very few number of constant time operations. And yeah, that's pretty much the whole solution. I hope you liked it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.